Best No Annual Fee Travel Credit Cards of 2022. Hello adventurers, in this video, I'm going to cover the top no annual fee travel credit cards of 2022. With so many options, researched the best cards and narrowed it down to my top 4. That'll save you some analysis paralysis on which one to choose. Less regular travelers can typically find the benefits they want without paying a premium. If you're looking to save money, travel rewards cards with no annual fees are an excellent option. A no annual fee credit card is a wonderful fit for your needs if your objective is to travel on a budget. Let's begin. Number 4. Discover It R Miles Credit Card. Discover It Miles is a straightforward travel credit card with a one-of-a-kind welcome bonus for new cardholders. Discover matches every mile you earn during your first year, rather than offering a traditional sign-up bonus. To get the most out of the card's introductory rewards bonus, you must use it almost exclusively for a year. Also, while the flat rewards rate may appeal to some customers, it isn't the best in the industry. Discover It Miles features include free access to your FICO credit score, Social Security number monitoring, and the ability to freeze your account through the Discover website or app if your card is lost or stolen. The Discover It Miles card has a one-of-a-kind unlimited sign-up bonus, but it lacks premium travel benefits. Pros: automatically matches the miles you earn at the end of your first year as a cardholder. Delivers unlimited 1.5 miles per dollar on every purchase. Offers flexible redemption options to help you avoid blackout dates. Cons: lacks a traditional sign-up bonus. Gives no opportunities for bonus rewards. Offers no airline or hotel transfer partners. Discover isn't accepted worldwide. It's great for people who can maximize the first-year bonus. Travelers who want flexible redemption for rewards. The card is not great for frequent travelers who want a lot of travel perks. People who can earn more rewards with a different credit card. Rewards: automatically earn unlimited 1.5x miles on every dollar of every purchase, with no annual fee. Welcome bonus: Discover will match all the miles you've earned at the end of your first year. Annual fee: $0. Intro APR: 0% intro APR for 14 months on purchases, and 10.99% intro APR for 14 months on balance transfers. Regular APR: 11.99% to 22.99% variable. Balance transfer fee: 3% intro balance transfer fee, up to 5% fee on future balance transfers. See terms. Foreign transaction fee: none. Credit needed: good/excellent, which is considered between 670 to 850. Number 3. Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card. For everyday purchases, the Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card earns travel rewards. The Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card has no annual fee and allows cardholders to earn 1.5 points per dollar on every purchase. However, the card doesn't come with as many perks as other rewards cards, and consumers may be able to earn more points with cards that reward specific types of spending. Points can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and vacation packages, among other things. Benefits include free monthly FICO credit score access, account alerts for balances and due dates, and digital wallet technology for cardholders. Pros: 0% intro APR. The Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card offers a 0% intro APR on purchases for 15 billing cycles. $0 annual fee. The card has no annual fee. Sign-up bonus: When you spend online bonus points after you make at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening, that can be a $250 statement credit toward travel purchases, you'll earn 25,000 points. Rewards can be redeemed with any airline or hotel with no blackout dates. Points can be redeemed for flexible travel expenses, including flights, hotels, vacation packages, cruises, rental cars, or baggage fees. No limit or expiration on points. No fee charged on purchases made outside the U.S. Cons: no break on balance transfers. The 0% APR only applies to purchases, not balance transfers. No bonus categories. The card doesn't offer categories that earn at a higher rate. Regular APR, 13.99% to 23.99% variable. Balance transfer fee, either $10 or 3%, whichever is greater. Foreign transaction fee, none. Credit needed good/excellent, 670 to 850. Number 2. Hilton Honors American Express Card. For travelers who prefer to stay at Hilton hotels and resorts, the Hilton Honors American Express Card can be a useful credit card. The Hilton Honors American Express Card can be a great option for the right person because it has no annual fee and no foreign transaction fee. After spending $1,000 on the card in the first 3 months of membership, new cardholders will receive an introductory bonus of 70,000 Hilton Honors bonus points and a free night reward. The purchase annual percentage rate on the card varies between 15.74% and 24.74%, depending on your creditworthiness and the prime rate. The following are the benefits you can get with this card. On eligible Hilton purchases, you'll earn 7 points for every dollar spent. 5 cents per dollar at gas stations, supermarkets, and restaurants in the United States, including takeout and delivery. On all other eligible purchases, you'll get 3 points per dollar spent. Cardholders are not liable for fraudulent purchases, and through American Express experiences, they can get access to presale and exclusive event tickets. Hilton Honors Silver status is also included with the Hilton Honors American Express Card. This gives you a 20% bonus on hotel stays, a free 5th night, 2 complimentary bottles of water upon arrival at select hotels, and the ability to carry over extra nights for future stays. If you spend $20,000 in a single calendar year, you can upgrade to Gold status until the end of the following calendar year. Nonetheless, the Hilton Honors American Express Card isn't for everyone. If you plan to stay with Hilton on a regular basis, it can be a good deal. However, depending on your creditworthiness, the Hilton Honors American Express Card may have a high APR. This card may not be the best option if you frequently carry a balance. If you don't stay at Hilton hotels and resorts on a regular basis, a more general travel rewards card might be a better choice. When deciding whether or not to apply, think about your spending habits. For those who frequently stay with Hilton and don't want to pay an annual fee, this card may be a good fit. Here is a summary of the Hilton Honors American Express Card. Earn 7x Hilton Honors bonus points for each dollar of eligible purchases charged directly with a hotel or resort within the Hilton portfolio. Earn 5x Hilton Honors bonus points for each dollar of eligible purchases at U.S. restaurants, at U.S. supermarkets, and at U.S. gas stations. Earn 3x Hilton Honors bonus points for all other eligible purchases on your card. Credit needed: 670 to 850. Good to excellent. Annual fee: $0. Intro bonus: earn 70,000 Hilton Honors bonus points plus a free night reward. APR 15.74%, 24.74% variable. Pros: no annual fee, high rewards rate, automatic elite status. Cons: no free anniversary night. Number 1. Chase Freedom Flex. With Chase Freedom Flex, You can earn a lot of rewards for no annual fee, but you'll need to keep track of different reward categories to get the most out of the card. Chase Freedom Flex isn't the best option for everyone, though. If you don't spend much in the card's bonus categories, you might only get 1% back on the majority of your purchases. Furthermore, activating the rotating bonus categories necessitates some extra effort. If you think that will be difficult, a card with a higher flat rewards rate on everything, such as the American Express Cash Magnet card, might be a better option. Keep in mind that, depending on your creditworthiness, Chase Freedom Flex may have a high APR. This may not be the card for you if you usually carry a balance. Earn a $200 bonus after you spend $500 on purchases in your first 3 months from account opening. 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in combined purchases in bonus categories each quarter you activate. Enjoy new 5% categories each quarter. 3% cash back on drugstore purchases and dining at restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery service, and unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. There is no minimum amount to redeem for cash back. You can get a statement credit or a direct deposit into most U.S. checking and savings accounts. As long as your account is open, your cash back rewards will not expire. Pros: earns up to 5% cash back in select bonus categories. Provides an introductory 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months from account opening. Charges no annual fee. Cons: earns a 1% base rewards rate. Caps rotating bonus category rewards. Charges a potentially high APR. Credit needed: $670 to $850. Annual fee: $0. Intro bonus: $200. APR: 14.99% to 23.74% variable. That wraps up what I believe are the top 4 no annual fee travel credit cards in 2022. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Happy travels! I'll see you in the next video.